cooking a chicken today for a roast, and I'm going to use my Ninja. So it's my air fryer, but I'm going to put it onto steam roast and give it a go with this method. So I have got over here some stock. You can just use water, but that's going to go in the bottom. In here, I've got 3 tablespoons of garlic oil, 2 teaspoons of paprika, a teaspoon of thyme, teaspoon of oregano, and a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. Look at that, thick and delicious. That's going on top of the chicken now. I'm going to pour my stock into the bottom here. We'll give that a mix, don't worry. So on top of that stock that was in that bottom section, I've added my air fryer basket and my chicken. And now we just need to paint it. The only way we can describe this is paint it up. Lots of flavour, and then we are ready to go. So prep, simple, and I'm just hoping that this way of cooking it is going to be even better than just putting it onto air fry, because it's going to keep that meat much more moist, I think. So my Ninja is the 15-in-1, so as you can see here on the middle section, I've got steam roast, and I'm going to lower that to 160, and then we're going to go with 40 minutes and see what it's like after that. It may take longer, but we don't want to overdo it and make that meat tough. We want it lovely and succulent. So let's go, see what it's like. It's just finished cooking. Look at that. It looks crispy, and let's hope it's succulent. I'll be carving it in a minute. It's still moist. It's lovely and crispy, the skin. That looks delicious. I think this was definitely the best way to do it in the Ninja. I've got a lovely Yorkshire rising up. I don't know how well you can see that, but that is to go with my chicken. I've got some roast potatoes in the air fryer as well. With the chicken juices, I've made a gravy. I didn't want to waste any of that. Too much flavour, and I think that looks pretty good. There are lots of good meat off of that chicken. It looks delicious.